I believe I'm not too biased by stating that AudaCity Capital has at the moment one of the best deal in the market, one of the best deal compared also to the competition. The Funded Trader program is designed from traders to traders. And that is exactly what I think it makes this program different from other programs in the market. The mission behind AudaCity Capital is actually to help experienced traders to access an industry that would otherwise be quite hostile for them. We provide our traders with a deep institutional liquidity in the market. Being in partnership with different liquidity providers and different banks as well allows us to offer our traders with fast executions and also with a spot-on pricing. Those fundamental things comes with a price usually. Although with us there are no commissions, no swaps, and on top of that our spreads are really tight. For example, if we think about the euro-dollar, we have on average a spread of 0.3, 0.4 pips, which is nothing. If we want to think to another pair, for example, the pound New Zealand, that we know it is of course more volatile, we have an average spread on this pair of 2 pips, which is nothing compared to the market outside. Now, for this reason, I believe I'm not too biased by stating that AudaCity Capital has at the moment one of the best deal in the market, one of the best deal compared also to the competition. At the moment, we have more than 800 traders all over the world trading with us and managing our funds. We have scalpers, we have intraday traders, and we have swing traders. The reason behind this diversification among our traders is because the deal we offer them is beneficial regardless of the time horizon they trade with. It is beneficial for scalper. In fact, they are able to open as many positions as they want. Is beneficial for swing traders. In fact, there are no commissions and no swaps on the position kept open overnight. And so is of course beneficial also for intraday traders if we only want to think about the raw spread that they have access to. Now, just imagine that such a deal in terms of access to the market could save an average daily trader something like $200–250 per month. And what we ask our traders to do is just to make 10% on their account. As soon as they hit the target of the 10% on the account they are managing, we will split profits 50-50 and we will double for them the size of the account. We go up to a maximum of $500,000. And even at that stage, even at that point, they will have access to the same deep liquidity in the market. They will have exactly the same raw spread, no commissions and no swaps involved in their trading activity. So if you think about when you start the Funded Trader program with $15,000 account, what you need is just 300 pips. 300 pips, for example, on the cable, on the pound dollar, and you will be able to reach your 10% target and pass on the next stage. Start managing a $30,000 account.